Have you ever looked at your fuel gauge and thought, wait, I just filled you. Why are you dropping like my standards on a Saturday night? Or maybe you've wondered why your tank empties faster than your patience in traffic. Well, buckle up, because what if I told you this might not be entirely your fault? Gas stations rake in over $30 billion a year. Not because you drive like you're auditioning for Fast and Furious, but because small, innocent-looking habits are secretly mugging your wallet. But today, we are exposing all of them. The forbidden secrets, the hidden tricks, the stuff gas stations pray you never learn. These are the 17 gas-saving secrets that could save you over $1,000 every year without changing your lifestyle one tiny bit. No hacks from Car Wizard Steve, no weird magnets you stick on your fuel line. Just simple, smart moves. And the secret number 12? That one alone can save you $5 to $10 every single time you fill up. Yes, every single time. All right, seatbelt on, snacks ready. Let's dive into the truth. 17. Why filling up in the morning is low-key genius. Let's start with some science. Don't worry, it's the fun kind. Gasoline expands when it's hot and shrinks when it's cold. This means if you fill up at noon under the heat that could fry an egg on your hood, you're paying for fuel that's, well, fluffed up. Imagine buying a bag of chips that's 80% air. Yeah, that's hot gasoline. Morning or late evening fuel, colder, denser, more actual gas. You get up to 5% more energy for the same price. That's like ordering a medium soda and secretly getting a large. We take those wins. 16. The one more click urge that's costing you money. You know when the nozzle goes click and your brain whispers, come on, squeeze a little more. You're not scared, right? Well, friend, you should be scared. Because guess where that extra gas you're forcing in actually goes? Into the pump's vapor recovery system, which returns it straight back to the gas station's tank. Yes, you are paying to fill their tank. Congratulations, you are the most generous donor in the neighborhood. And topping off can damage your emissions system too, meaning your car will send you a repair bill with more zeros than your bank account likes. 15. Pumping fast? Might as well set your money on fire. I know, you pump fast because you're in a hurry. You have places to be, people to see, snacks to eat, but fast pumping shakes the fuel like a blender, heats it up, creates vapor. And guess what? Vapor gets sucked back into the gas station's recovery system. So pumping fast is like pouring beer too quickly and getting a glass full of foam, but worse. Because the foam goes back into the bar's keg. Pump slow, it's classy, it's efficient. And the impatient person behind you will learn patience. You're basically doing them a favor. 14. Warming up your car is the world's tiniest bonfire of money. Unless you're driving a car from 1982, you do not need to warm it up. Idling gives you exactly 0 miles, 0 progress, 100% wasted fuel. Modern engines are designed to warm up while you drive. So every winter morning when you sit there, letting the car idle while you sip your coffee like a cozy raccoon, you're burning money. 5 minutes of idling daily equals more than $150 a year gone. Poofy, into the cold morning air. 13. Premium gas, the biggest flex you don't need. Car manufacturers love to confuse you with labels like premium recommended, premium required, premium suggested but not mandatory. Premium because shiny? But here's the truth. If your car does not specifically say required, then premium is just expensive juice your car doesn't need. Unless your engine is elite enough to deserve champagne, stick to regular. Otherwise, you're pouring up to $500 a year into nothing but emotional satisfaction. Save your money. Treat yourself to premium donuts instead. 12. The trunk clean-out secret that saves $5 to $10 every fill-up. This one hits hard. Go to your trunk. Open it. Now ask yourself, why do I have 14 water bottles, 2 jackets, 3 dead pens, a stroller, a toolbox, a foldable chair, and a whole unexplained bowling ball in here. Every 100 pounds of junk equals 2% more fuel burned. Most people are basically driving a mobile garage, or worse, a rolling storage unit for the apocalypse. Clean it out. Next time you fill up, you will see the savings immediately. 11. Roof racks and cargo boxes, the aerodynamic villains. These things look innocent until you hit the highway. Then they turn into giant parachutes sabotaging your gas tank. They can increase fuel usage by up to 25%. Leaving a roof box on your car all year is like burning $400 annually just to transport absolutely nothing. Unless you're permanently living inside a camping trailer, take that thing off. 10. Cruise control, your calm, fuel-saving robot buddy. You think you're driving at a steady 70 miles per hour? You're not. Humans drive like unstable Wi-Fi signals. Up, down, buffer, buffer, cruise control? Perfect, zen, unwavering. It's like meditation for your gas tank. Using it on the highway can boost efficiency by up to 14%. Some drivers save over $1,000 a year just by using it consistently. Let the robot take over. This is the good kind of AI takeover. 9. Aggressive driving, the fuel economy serial killer. Hard acceleration, hard braking, sudden speed changes, basically acting like you're trying to win Mario Kart IRL. This style of driving can destroy your fuel efficiency by up to 30%. Smooth is not slow. Smooth is smart. Smooth is sexy. Be the cucumber, not the chili pepper. 8. Low tire pressure is a silent financial assassin. Underinflated tires equals more friction equals more fuel burned. If your tires look even slightly sad, your wallet will be even sadder. Most cars are running 5 to 10 PSI too low, costing an easy $50 to $100 a year. Check monthly. It takes 5 minutes. You'll feel like a responsible adult for once. 7. The humble air filter that could save your fuel economy. Your engine needs air like you need coffee. If the filter is clogged, your engine suffocates and gulps more fuel. A $20 filter equals better airflow equals instant improvement, and you can replace it faster than it takes to microwave leftover pizza. 6. Your car's electrical features are tiny luxury vampires. Seat warmers, steering wheel heater, blasting AC on full power like you're cooling a supermarket meat section. All of that forces the alternator to work harder, which forces the engine to work harder, which forces your wallet to cry harder. Up to 4% extra fuel burned. Use what you need, not every button at once like you're piloting a spaceship. 5. Short trips, the ultimate fuel-wasting trap. When engines are cold, they drink fuel like a camel discovering iced tea. If you do 5 mini trips instead of 1 combined trip, your car spends half its time in worst possible efficiency mode. Bundle your errands, do a little loop, save up to 20% instantly. 4. A dirty car might actually help, kinda. Believe it or not, a thin layer of dust can slightly reduce drag. Not enough to turn your car into a race car, but enough to justify being lazy. But the real savings? Stop washing your car every week. Wash every 2 weeks instead and save almost $400 a year. Your car will be fine. It's a car, not a show dog. 3. E85. Looks cheap, but do the math. E85 is cheaper per gallon, but it contains 30% less energy. So unless it's dramatically cheaper, you'll lose money per mile. Only worth it if your car is flex fuel and the price difference is big enough. Otherwise, it's like buying a pizza that's 30% smaller and telling yourself you got a deal. 2. The best day to fill up your tank. Gas prices follow a weird weekly cycle. Monday, cheapest. Tuesday, almost as cheap. Weekend, absolute villain prices. Filling up early in the week saves $50 to $75 a year without doing anything different. Unless you're into paying more for literally no reason, then, hey, live your truth. 1. The easiest hack of all, gas rewards credit cards. Some cards give 3 to 5% cash back on fuel. If you spend $3,000 a year, which the average driver does, you get $150 back effortlessly. And this is important, only if you pay it off fully every month. Otherwise, the credit card company takes your savings and then takes your hope. So now that you know all 17 secrets, ask yourself, how much money have you been letting burn, evaporate, or fly off your roof rack this whole time? These tips require zero sacrifice, zero fancy tools, zero lifestyle changes, but together, they can save you over $1,000 every year. Gas is expensive, but being smart, that part is free. And that's it. You're now officially armed with every simple trick that can keep your gas tank fuller and your wallet a little happier. If you enjoyed this video and you want more practical, easy tips like these, feel free to subscribe to the channel. I share this kind of stuff all the time. Things that make life a bit easier, a bit cheaper, and a lot less frustrating. If you learned something new today, let me know in the comments. I honestly love hearing which tips surprise people the most. And if you think this could help someone you know, a friend, a family member, or that person who definitely needs to clean out their trunk, you can share it with them too. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of yourself, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.